Hello everybody, I know I look a hot mess. I'm actually a little under the weather, but based off of all of the love and support that I've received from you guys the other day, I just wanted to do a video just to show you guys how much I care and really appreciate the love and support and prayers that you guys have given. I'm still waiting. I'm still checking my email every other moment. But in the meantime, of course, I'm singing and claiming that I will receive a role in Motown the Musical. It's actually crazy, you guys. I didn't even tell you that after I did some research, I had been referring to Charles Randolph Wright, the director of Motown the Musical. That was the judge. He and Berry Gordy and a plethora of their peers actually watched me audition for the second audition. And I was actually told by D Knight of D Knight Films that, and Tanya Naya Blue Washington on Facebook, that that's actually how Berry Gordy used to select his talent, you know. So shouts out. I'm just really excited every time I think about the audition. So without further ado, I'm going to do Mirrors by Jhene Aiko. I actually got to hear this. Diddy had used her video from Mirrors to promote the Revolt Music Conference that he did last week when I was doing Jay McClain's History, the Black Man Monologues. So I was so intrigued by the song when I heard it, and I just wanted to do it for you guys. I'm sick, but I love y'all, so I wanted to do this song. So here we go. This is Jhene Aiko's Mirrors. I'm gonna do it just like she did. If you're my okay. If I'm your reflection, then baby you must be an angel. 'Cause when the light hits you just right, one could mistake you for a star. That is exactly what you are. Better to consider all of the good things, yeah. Oh, a glimpse in the mirror to make sure that you are still there, yeah. But then the night takes over, and then there's nowhere to be found. You're facing broken pieces. Don't you look down. Don't you look down. A shame I couldn't see this coming around. You're my reflection, so tell me, why can't you be more clear? What's up with all these tears? And don't be regretting all that you've done and haven't done. That shit don't matter here. What's up with all these fears? Gully lit me in your ear. You better consider all of the good things. Oh, A glimpse in the mirror to tell me you're still here. Alright. But then the night takes over.